Right now, the Hedera HBAR price in the 4-hourly time frame has just recently had this breakout to the upside that brought us into this resistance zone. And in this video, I'll explain exactly what is going on for the price action for HBAR, reveal to you guys what I'm currently expecting, and also the key levels to look out for. So before we begin, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash like and subscribe in today's video. And let us begin the analysis for Hedera HBAR in the 4-hourly time frame. So as you guys can see, we just had this nice move actually in the 4-hourly time frame. Had this pump that brought us to 5.1 cents right here. So if you guys remembered in my previous video, we have spotted in the 4-hourly time frame, a matter of fact, this bullish divergence. We formed a lower low for the price while we saw the RSI gain strength and form a higher low right here, therefore forming this bullish divergence. I warned you guys that this could potentially indicate that we could be expecting a short-term pump or reversal in the future, and then we saw this move right here. Just recently, the Hedera HBAR price has also formed this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We broke above the neckline, and currently we have already met the target, as you guys can see. We already went over the target. So what am I expecting right now for the Hedera HBAR price? So first of all, right now, I want to warn you guys that we are currently at resistance and we may face, again, some resistance. We can see the price for the short term have a pullback. So be aware of this potential scenario. There is support lying at around 4.9 cents. So if we do ever see a pullback for the Hedera HBAR price, I am looking to find support at 4.9 cents before we can continue potentially moving to the upside. But also be aware that still we live in uncertain times. More bad news can come out in the market. As you guys may know, the SEC is still going after the entire crypto industry. So if more bad news comes out, we can also expect the Hedera price to move back down into support at 4.4 cents. So be aware of this scenario. But right now, the move to the upside for Hedera HBAR, in my opinion, looks promising. And I am hoping to see the Hedera HBAR price break above 5.1 cents because this is a resistance level. And if we do break above it and flip it to support, then we can expect higher prices. And it's going to be looking good for the Hedera HBAR price. So what I'm expecting right now, should you buy HBAR? In my opinion, if you're here for the long term, then this is still a good level to buy Hedera HBAR. Again, if you're in for the long term. But if you're for the short term, I recommend you guys still wait for a pullback because again, it's not a good idea to buy into these pumps. I've been mentioning this a lot in my videos, not only on HBAR, but on Quant, Bitcoin. I mentioned that whenever you see pumps, it's not a good idea to buy into that, but you must wait for a pullback instead. Right now, we are facing some resistance because again, we're at a resistance zone. And I am currently waiting for a pullback before we can continue moving to the upside. So all in all, the price action looks decent. And in the future, if we ever see the Hedera HBAR price break above 5.1 cents, then we can expect the Hedera price to continue putting in higher highs right here for the short term or in the future. So that is essentially the quick update you guys should be aware of. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up and buy Bit right now using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server, link is in the description as well.